Creative Biju, and today I am going to share you one important tips editor not showing under appearance menu. Obviously, sometime you need to edit some of your header and footer in your WordPress website, and obviously you go in appearance and but you are not, unfortunately you are not seeing editor there. You get shocked, right? And some thing around in your mind that now what should I do? What is the idea to get it back, right? So if you are facing same problem, then this is the right video for you. I'll show you in even single step, then you can enable it immediately. Okay, so without further ado, I'll go to direct topics. Okay, just log in your WordPress website, then you can go here, appearance. As like you, I have no any editor here, so I'll get it back, because this has happened due to your some theme or WordPress problem. Okay, and it hides from there, so there is some coding in your wp-config file, so sometime it changes this coding due to some internal problem. Actually I don't know what is that problem. Okay, but you can enable it back. So just log into your hosting or server. Okay, after then go to, I already logged on. Okay, this is my cPanel, guys. Okay, and this is my website, beneathag.com.np. okay, just log in your cPanel. After then go to your website. This is website. Okay, beneathag.com.np. okay, beneathag, same you can see here, beneathag.com.np. after you log on there, all your files will be displayed here. Okay, so you can go here, one file name wp-config.php, wp-config.php, exactly go there. This is the wp-config.php, whatever you have hosting. Okay, same way you can go here, wp-config.php, right click this one and edit this one. Okay, after then simply you can go and edit. Okay, now you can see at the top, guys, begin item security not modified to remove this line, and define disable file edit. It is true here. Disable file edit means your editor is disabled, right? True. So you should change this to false. If it is false, then obviously your editor will be shown in your dashboard. But disable file edit is true, that means obviously editor will be hide, and this is, you are not doing anything, this is automatically happening sometime. Okay, actually I don't know the exact reason for this one, but many time I face like this. Sometimes it's automatically being hidden to true. Maybe there is some security reason it is making like this, right? So just change this one to false, 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 only this much. Okay, false, then save it, save changes. Okay, save changes, now it is saved. So let's see, I can get back my editor here or no, still not. I should reload this one. After I reload, obviously I'll get it back. Appearance, voila, editor is here now, guys. This is very simple tricks, so no need to wonder more. You can do same process. I think this video help you in great way, so I'll update such interesting similar tips in my channel. So please, if you want to see such your problematic video solution, then obviously please do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for seeing this video. See you in another video, guys.